Hi, I'm Rose. Welcome to day 4 of healthy eating. Alright, so in our healthy smoothie, we're going to start with our veggies. This is half cup of spinach, which you won't even be able to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for protein, and make sure you blend the spinach and the flax seeds first before adding your fruit. Add 2 cups of frozen fruit, strawberries and bananas are your favorite, and then also 1 tablespoon of honey. For liquid, about 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Blend away, and if it's too thick and you need a little more liquid, just add some more almond milk. It's time to move it, move it. Let's go to the gym. It's lunchtime and we're going to start on our drink. We're going to be making some strawberry kiwi lemon water. So I'm going to start peeling this kiwi and then cut it into slices. Add all the kiwi in your 32-ounce jar, and then we're also going to add our strawberries. I'm going to cut half of a lemon in slices, and I'm going to add these to my jar. Squeeze the other half of your lemon, and then we want to go ahead and fill this up with ice and filtered water. I'm going to screw my handy dandy top, add a straw, and my water is ready. Last night during day 3, we prepared a stuffed bell pepper for our lunch today. Eat and enjoy. We're going to start by slicing a few pieces of tomato. Alright, now we're going to grab our chicken breast, and we want to go ahead and slice it in half lengthwise, but not cutting all the way because we want to stuff and then close. So next you're going to need some pesto. I'm going to spread my pesto inside my chicken breast. Now we'll begin stuffing, and we're going to start with a slice of tomato, a little bit of spinach. Now we're going to go in with some mozzarella cheese, and I've got some shredded cheese. If you have a block, just cut a slice and stick it in there. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and close our chicken up, and we'll grab a toothpick and just stick it in there so everything doesn't fall apart. Alright, so moving on to our stove, to a pan, you want to add a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to start adding our chicken and get it seared on both sides. Okay, now we're going to add all our spices, and I'm going to go in with some pink Himalayan salt. If you don't have pink salt, you can use kosher salt or just regular salt, whatever you have. Add some pepper, some garlic powder, about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of basil, sprinkle some rosemary, and some thyme. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and flip our chicken over, and we're going to be adding the same spices on the other side. Once we've seared both sides, we want to go ahead and transfer it to a sheet pan. Let's go ahead and place this in our oven, and we want to cook it at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes or until your chicken is done. While our chicken is cooking, we're going to go ahead and start on our vegetables. I'm going to be cutting my mushrooms into quarters. Now we're going to cut some asparagus, and don't forget to rinse, and you always want to cut the tips off. Those go in the trash. We'll go ahead and cut these into smaller pieces, maybe thirds. Now we're going to cut some golden potatoes. I'm going to cut these in quarters. So I cut it in half and then in half again. I love using these potatoes. If you have potato medley with all the different colors, you can use those as well. In a large pan, we want to drizzle some olive oil. Alright, so now we want to go ahead and add our veggies. I recommend that you cook your potatoes and asparagus first since they take the longest, and then add your mushrooms towards the end. Alright, once in your pan, if you feel like you need a little bit more olive oil, feel free to add a little bit more and get everything mixed. For our spices, we'll start with some kosher salt, some pepper, garlic powder, basil, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and some thyme. Give this a quick mix. Alright, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter just to give it a little more flavor. Let's go ahead and cover this up and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the potatoes are ready. Let's go ahead and put a fork through our potato and see if it's done. And it looks like they're done. All right, just in time because our chicken just came out of the oven as well. All right, so for my drink, I went ahead and left all my fruit in my mug like I have been doing all week. And I just add some Arizona tea and my drink is ready. For your snack, we're going to have some orange slices with some unsalted cashews. Please be sure to check out my YouTube channel for day 5. Thanks for watching.